Are you looking for the best sand filter pumps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sand filter pumps that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Game 0.75 HP Replacement Pool Sand Filter Unit. The Game Pool Sand Filter Unit is designed for above-ground pools up to 20,000 gallons. It is an ultra-quiet, energy-saving sand filter pump for pool. Considering its highly functional features, this unit can clean 10 times faster with an equivalent size cartridge filter. And it does this with much less maintenance. For this reason, it is worth considering if you value convenience. It works with several above-ground pools, including Bestway and Intex pools. It is packed with lots of outstanding features so it can deliver great results on a consistent basis. At number 4, RX Clear Radiant Complete Sand Filter System. One piece of equipment is all you need to keep the waters of your pool crystal clear. And that is the RX Clear Radiant Complete Sand Filter System. It is a complete system that includes a 3-foot high pressure hose, tank, the RX Xtreme Niagara pool pump, backwash hose fittings, and stainless steel clamps. It is designed for above-ground pools, and, given the components it comes with, we are positive that it will meet your needs. It is important to note that this sand filter system is not be sold in or shipped to Florida or California. Also, you should take into account that the hoses and filter media are not included in the package. Instead, they are sold separately. At number 3, Goplus 13 inches Sand Filter Pump for above-ground pools. A clean swimming pool is what everyone craves for. That's why we think that you should go for this sand filter pump. It is designed for above-ground swimming pools, and its role is to keep your pool incredibly clean so you can have unforgettable moments every time you jump into the water. It is a 13-inch sand filter with lots of interesting specifications. These include a filtration rate of 2450 GPH, a maximum pool size of 10,000 gallons, a maximum water temperature of 105 degrees, and maximum suction of 32 feet. Ideally, this pump weighs 20.5 pounds, meaning it is fairly light in weight, and, therefore, very easy to move around. At number 2, Xtreme Power US 4500 GPH Sand Filter with 1 HP Above Ground Pool Pump. You will receive a lot of accessories when you buy this sand filter pump pool. In addition to the pool pump and sand filter, you will get hose adapters, system tray, and 5-way valve. The manufacturer provides all these to make sure you do not lack anything. This, in turn, should give you the smoothest experience with this entire package. Ideally, the unit is shortlisted, which is great, considering the potential dangers associated with sand filter pump pools. And its overall dimensions are 28.5 inch wide by 21.5 inch long by 31.5 inch high. At number 1, Intex 3000 GPH Sand Filter Pump. Make sure your pool water is always clean and safe with the Intex 3000 GPH Sand Filter Pump for pool. It offers you the most effective and convenient way to keep pool water clean by picking up small algae and dirt particles. Furthermore, it will help you save on cost and time, considering that it needs replacement once every 5 years. Its pump motor is very powerful and boasts 75% efficiency. What's more, this sand filter pump comes with a lot of accessories, which are a heavy-duty tank, built-in timer, 6-way valve, strainer basket, and pressure gauge. The sand filter pump meets all CSA standards, meaning it is safe to use. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.